Okay, this is the Jira dashboard. Okay, we are into the Jira service management. Okay, so in the real time, and how you are going to create the tickets, and what are the option you are going to use, and once the ticket comes means what are the status it will be there, and how we can change it, and how we can assign it. All the details we'll see one by one. Okay, first thing what we have to do is, okay, and once you enter this URL, na, so you will be having the username and password. For example, I have the user, I have already logged in here. That is the reason I want to create the one ticket. Okay, I have the some issues. Okay, click on create the ticket. Okay, so once you click on the create button, so you need to choose the project. Okay, so in my case, what is the project is the ITSM sample space IT sample project. It is there. In the real time, there might be the project like the management project. Okay, like the EV project, like the what are the project you guys will be working on the real time, na? Those project name it will be there. Okay, sample project I have mentioned here is IT sample. Okay, it is come to the project first thing. And issue types, and the issue type might be the different, let me show you here. Okay, it might be the if it comes to the development stage, they'll be working on the task. And when come to the support, we'll be working on the incident and problem management and the change management. And once the issue has been closed, and we are going to write the review for this post incident review and service request with the approval. We can create the ticket with the service approval. Why the approval? This is in the place is, for example, if you need the some access in the sense you want to access the client, the client system. For this, you need the your approval from your higher manager. During that time, you can service request with the approval. You can create it. If the, for example, if you password reset means the manager approval is not required. That time you can go for the incident or service request. Okay, it is a depends upon the that one. Okay, now why I have to create the incident, right? For example, suddenly my account was not working. For example, Jira account. Let us say issue type what I am choosing is incident. Incident means suddenly it is not working. And issue type you are chosen, right? And if you want to go through this one, you can click here, learn more about the issue types. If you click here, it will show the different things. Okay, what and all other details you can go through also. You can check that also. Okay. Let us move on to the next option. Request type. What is the request type? Okay. Report. What type of the request? No request type. Also, you can mention what is my email request or fix the account problem. I told na fix the, in my case I am choosing the fixer. Get the queue with the Wi-Fi account. Get the IT help. New mobile device request. Once you join into the company, you may require the new mobile device. They might be giving for the tracking purpose or the something, or else onboard the new employee. For example, if you entered into the new company, so they have to create the access for you. That time what thing we have to choose here is request type is onboard the new employee. Okay, for example, if you want the request the new account also, you can choose. And request the admin access. If you want the admin access, request the new hardware also. For example, new hardware means for you are currently you are working in your some project, and suddenly your laptop is not working. That time you need to raise the ticket. That time like the you need to select this option and you need to do that. And new software has to install your system means request the new software. Set up the VPN to the office. Like this you can choose based on my case is now what is my issue is the fix the account problem. Okay, I have chosen this one. Okay, now next. raise this request on behalf of. We can create the ticket someone else also. We can create the ticket of myself also. Okay. My summary, you have to add it. What is the summary? I will write. Okay. What is my issue? Hmm. Um, unable to log into unable to log into Jira account. Okay, the same thing you need to put it in the description also. Okay, if without description, if you try to create it will throw a error. See here. Yeah, it has been created. That is not a mandatory one here. Okay, so I have already created the ticket here. So if you want to view this, and you can view it. Okay. Okay. So I will come to this. Okay. Before that, before why I have raised this issue, I will tell you. Okay. So this is the Jira tickets. I'll come to this, guys. I will come to this. Okay. Why the Jira is used, I will explain you this also. Just I wanted to show you the one more thing. That is the reason I have done this. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. I wanted to show the something here. Control N. Okay. Okay. I see it. I try to log in it here. Okay. 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 I will try to log in. Okay. See it. I am unable to log in here. Na? So what it is saying, incorrect email or the password it is showing. That is the reason I have created the ticket here, guys. Unable to log into the Jira account. In the real time, like this, it will be there. For example, some user, they want to create some issues and they want to log into the Jira. They are unable to do it. That is the reason they will create the Jira ticket for us. Here, I am unable to log into the Jira. That is the reason I have created the ticket here. Unable to log into the Jira account. Who has raised this issue? And Raju has raised this issue. Okay. Able to follow me? And Srivalli and Meenakshi, please stop me if you guys are not able to understand. Able to understand?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the real time I am telling you guys, okay? This everything it will be in the real time only. In the real time only, okay? Same thing, exactly the same thing, guys. The ticket will come. Now, the Raju has created the ticket. Okay, see here, the SLA. You might have come across in the interview, right? What is the SLA? Service level agreement. Okay, it is the agreement between the service provider and the end user. Okay, that is called the SLA. What is the today? At what time it has been created? So the time to resolve this within 4 hours we need to resolve. Okay, and we can respond within 4 hours. Okay, and we can resolve this by within tomorrow. This time 7 hour 57 minute left. Okay, and see here, we have to acknowledge this. Once the ticket comes, it has been created. Okay, and it will be like the SLA, it will be there, and what are the other fields like the here the product categorization, it will be there, like the hardware I have not chosen. Okay, so while creating the tickets we have to choose this. Okay, this is the software, right? That service also you can choose. Okay, categorization is sometimes you no need to choose also, it is a depends upon our project. Okay, component, what is the other component, operational organization also we can mention. Urgency we can choose. Urgency, these are the they are going to ask this question, guys. Okay. High. My urgency is high. Impact is moderate, like the moderate and expensive, significant, large. All the depends upon your urgency. Okay. You can choose this and you can create the ticket. While creating the ticket also, you can choose this, and after creating the ticket also, you can change it. Okay. It is a depends how we are going to allow it. Okay. And once this came, na, I will show you waiting for the support. Okay. See here. Once the ticket has been come, na, okay, respond to the customer. Okay. So I am going to, what I will do is, I am going to, what are the stages, guys? Once the ticket has been created, na? Okay, let me go through here. One, okay. Jira workflow. See here. What is the Jira workflow? Workflow depends the series of the steps or stages an issue or the bug goes through during this life cycle from creation to the closing of the issues. Now what we have done? We have done the ticket has been created. Once it is created, see here, in the diagram also I have given you guys, created or the open. It is in open. Once that is open, it should go to the work in progress. Once the work has been completed, it has to go to completed or the closed status. You can see here, this is the workflow exactly. Able to understand, guys, here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now that is the reason I am showing you the practical only. This is the theory part. Practical is, I have created the ticket. Now it is in open state. Once I will put it in progress, it will come in the work in progress. Okay. So what I will do? I will do work in progress. Okay. You can assign the ticket, Raju, or myself, Raju also. You can say, okay, work in, you can say, we are working on it, or we are working on it, will update you soon. Okay. This one, for example, if you are the, there is a shift handler will be there. Okay. He is going to acknowledge the ticket. Okay. So this has been triaged and we are going to work on this. Once this is triaged, okay, so we can assign this ticket, the someone from our team or the team members, we can assign it, or else we can assign to ourselves only. Okay. So here the other user is this guy is there, and one more user is Raju is there. Now I have taken the ticket on behalf of the Raju. So I am respond to the customer, for the customer, or else you can internal comment. This is not visible to the customer who are created the ticket. It is visible to us only. Oh, now I want to show this comment to the whoever create that ticket. Once I will do na work in progress. Now the waiting for the customer response, right? Now if I do this, now the what is the status? It has been changed. Now it went to the progress. See here. Now I will show you the comment. What it came. We are working on it. We'll update you soon. Okay. In the comment section it will go. Okay. And there is the history tab. What a history will do? What when the ticket has been created? See here. Who has created the issues? Raju has created the issues on 8 minutes ago. And Raju updated the product categorization. What the service I have updated, na? This one. And Raju updated the urgency high. And Raju updated impact significant. I have updated, right? So, and who has done this? Which state earlier? Waiting for the support. So you are, who has done it? This Raju has done 22nd. Okay, Raju changed to the assigned to the Raju myself only I have assigned. Okay, if I change the I can change this assignee, we can change that assignee to the different also, we can do this. Okay, I will come to that. Okay. Okay, now if the someone I need show show me your, someone is asking which ticket you are working, means what you have to do is just you go to this ticket. Here the copy the link option is there. Na? Just click on it. It will be copied. Just you need to show to them. Okay. See here. It came, right? This is the ticket number. IT sample 16 is the ticket number. Okay. This is the overall one. If you click here, na, for example, think that you have given this ticket to them. Okay. So I will go to the different tab. If I click that, okay. So it has displayed, right? Correct, na? It is displayed, right? So you are able to see this like this in the real time. It will be there, guys. Okay. So now what is the next step? Okay. See here. The creation, once it is Jira ticket open, work in progress. It is next. The I have to give the. I need to check that ticket, and I need to give the solution for this. Then only it will come to the completed or the closed state. Okay. And how to create the Jira, how issues in created in Jira, everything I have documented here. The first thing what you guys are going to do is log into your Jira account by using the valid username, and I told you, na, here I shown you, right? It will ask for the username and password, na, here. Username and password. Okay. Okay. So, and ensure that click on create button displayed, and you will be navigate to the window create an issue. I have shown you that also. I have already click on create button. So click on create button and give this project all the details. The same thing they are explaining it here. Okay. And necessary detail required to create an issue. The below field example can understood the better by the image below. Image. Okay, see here. I shown you, right? The issue type, they are project, issue type, and summary, and report, reporter, and create an issue. All the details has been documented here. Okay. And after that, okay, after all the details have been completed, click on create button, display on the windows, create the new issues, and the issue ID is generated, which can be used in the future as the reference for tracking and progress issues. Okay, I have shown you this. This is the tracking purpose we are going to use it. Okay, why we are going to use this Jira? And one of the intros, it has been asked, guys. Okay, why the Jira you used? And Sivali, you can go through this. Okay, the basically an issue and project tracking tool which allow us to track any project related work by following proper workflow. This is the answer you need to give in the interviewer. Okay. What are the reason which determine the issues of Jira is able to track the project progress from time to time. And Jira use case include the project management, feature implementation, bug tracking. Okay, workflow can easily customize as per our requirement. Jira is the platform independent and can run anywhere. Okay, so it can run in the Windows system, it can be run in the Linux system. That is called platform independent. Okay, you go through this document, we'll get the more thing, guys. Okay, let me concentrate on like the how we can work on this ticket, and how we can do the further details. Okay, now you understood now how to create the ticket, all those things. Let us move on to the, I have shown you this, right? How the, for any particular issue, what are the included under the change history. Change history, I have shown you this. Okay, and history tab, you can, I have given you this also, where you can go this also, history tab, everything I have given you, guys. Okay, just concentrate on that. Okay. One more thing, mention the way with which the issue can be shared with the other user in the Jira. For example, how we can share the your Jira issues is, Okay, let me show you this. Okay. Okay, you are able to see na. Here the option is there, right? Share button. Here I will show you the watch. Watch the option is, you can in the your team the many people will be there. Okay, I want to see the what is happening in this ticket. I need to click on this. Okay, the first thing, okay, someone will say, your team lead say, okay, add me into that ticket, into the watcher list. Means you have to go to, once you open the ticket na, and the right corner I this watch option, it will be there. I kind of things, I why they have means someone in this watch list, they can see what is happening here. If you do some comment also, they will get to know, okay, some comment has come into this. Okay, I want to someone to watch this is, click on add. Okay, I will okay, so I will add this guys. Okay, now earlier two peoples was there, earlier one people was there, now two people. If I want to remove this also, you have the option to remove it here. Okay, they can't able to see this. Okay, in the real time scenarios we come across these issues guys, please note this also. And someone will say, okay, I want to share this ticket, share this ticket to the someone else. Means click on share button. After this, okay, you can copy this link also, you can share with them. Okay, like this, it will be like the ticket number only. Okay, so the ticket number with all the details, it will be there. Okay, and now you can mention the team name also, like the alert integration, Jira, spreadsheet, Slack, performance manager. You can do that way also. This is the optional message you can put. Okay, please check on this. Okay, like this also you can do this, or else you can just share this copy link also. Once you do that, na, if you mention the team also, you can. For example, alert integration. I click na, so I will see, click on share means it is going to share with them. Okay. And apart from this, okay, for example, as we are working, I told na, L1, L2, L3 team, it will be there. Okay. So from the L1, they are unable to resolve the issues. Then it come to L2 queue. Then L2 team has checked each and everything. They are unable to share. For example, let me take this example here. Okay, unable to log into the Jira account. Which account is, okay, so it is the this is the username. Who has created this? Who has created this is, you can check in the more detailed page, you can check na, where we can check this, who has created all those things. Detailed page you will get guys, detailed page. This is a very important when come to the Jira real time. What are the important is history tab, and this watcher list, and share. Okay, and comment section, I will show you each and everything. And this one also, now it is in a progress. Okay, and after this I can do this pending state also, I can keep this in the pending state also, and cancel the request also I can do, and resolve this issue also I can do this. Okay, I will show you that one. Let me show you the detail assignee Raju. Reporter means who has created this issue, and you can see request type is fix an account problem, and priority is medium. Okay, I will come to this label also, label. So acknowledgement label also acknowledged, and which date we can acknowledge, we can create acknowledge. What is the date today is, acknowledge today is the 29. Okay, acknowledge 29, month is August. Okay, August, and year is 2023. This is the new label, we can create it. Okay, so later stage for the reporting purpose we can use this label when it has been created. Okay, this is the label thing, we are going to use it in the real time, we are going to use it. Okay. Well, this meeting is going to end it in the 1 minute guys, please rejoin the meeting. Okay, same meeting, you guys have to rejoin. Okay. Okay, and one more thing here is, Okay. Now you guys are will be working in this Jira account and unable to log in. I got this. Raju is unable to. His email is. I have checked at my side and I have resolved these issues. Okay. And I have resolved this. I can comment him saying that. Okay. I can comment for him. Reply to the customer. I can. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute.